Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers. We are fast home buyers in San Antonio, Texas. We've been operating here since 2012 and we've purchased well over 100 projects from fellow San Antonians. This could be people that needed to sell a house fast because they were moving, changing jobs, maybe the house was fire damaged, maybe there was back taxes owed, maybe there was a lot of repairs. These are all things that we deal with very commonly, and what we do as a service is come in and provide a cash offer. If it's a Monday and you want to close on Thursday of the same week, we can do that as long as the title's clear. We're ready to go. We're cash buyers and we're fast home buyers in San Antonio. So if you would like to get a cash offer in your home, please feel free to reach out and call the number on the screen. One of our team members will be right out. We don't need more than a few minutes in your house. We're going to save you a lot of headache. You're not going to pay realtor fees. You're not going to pay repairs. You're not going to pay any kind of repair amendment. You're not going to have people, prancing through your house for showings. We're not going to run a bunch of contractors through there, and we are the end buyer. So some people that say they're cash buyers are actually just going to put your house under contract and try to sell it to somebody else. Well, we are the end buyer. We close cash. We close when we say we will. We put a substantial amount of deposit down, and we will close on the house. We're not going to try and just get it under contract and sell it to another investor. That's something to watch out for out there. So if you're looking for a fast home buyer in San Antonio, we'd love an opportunity to earn your business. You can check us out at alamocashbuyers.com or give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Take care.